crude oil prices daily forecast, February 15th, fxempire.com. You can see the light sweet crude market did a whole lot of nothing at the end of the session on Thursday as we just bounced around basically in a 50 cent, really realistically I guess 70-cent area, but really didn't change much. Ended up positive by about 32 cents or so as we continue to churn in this area that had been consolidative and quite noisy. We still see 95 to 98 as being basically the consolidation area. And as long as the Federal Reserve continues to pump out dollars, we think that eventually we will break to the upside. We see a move above 98 is more than likely a signal that we're going to go to $100. And $100, of course, will be a large psychological barrier. So we'll have to see what happens then. We have been over $100 several times, so obviously the more you pass through something, the more people get used to it. So we don't necessarily think it's going to be a bit of a brick wall. So that being said, we think that there are bullish days ahead for light sweet crude, and as a result, we do like buying it on the breakout, of course. Looking at Brent, you can see Brent fell actually most of the day, but did pop up to get a little bit of a positive move, 13 cents or so. So, having said that, it's a strong sign that we still have plenty of buying pressure underneath, so that's a good sign. But really, if you were involved in the market today, unless you were very quick, you didn't make any money at all or lose it on either side, really, of the equation. So, having said this, we think that 118 still continues to be rather resistive. However, we think the 118 level does look like a gateway to the 120 level. And at 120 level, a lot of questions will be asked. Because of this, we think that there's a short-term buying opportunity on a break of the highs from the session on Thursday, but quite frankly, we think that 120 is going to be a much more interesting area, and we will have to think a little bit more longer term at that region. As far as selling is concerned, we really don't have an interest. There's far too much support, and it's obviously a very bullish market at this point in time.